Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and okay. In this video tutorial, I'll try to demonstrate how to download Android Studio and how to install it in your operating system. In our case, we are using Windows 10 64-bit operating system. So let's download Android Studio first. So you have to be online. Starting page right now. There you have to type Android Studio, okay, and Android Studio, okay, and then you will see Android Studio, okay. So go to that site. URL address would be https://developer.android.com and studio. By default, if you are using Mac operating system, it will show you its related download link, okay. In our case, we are using Windows 10 64-bit operating system, so here we have the download link, and the latest version right now it is 4.1.1. in your case it might be latest, okay, it might be higher than this. In future it will definitely be a higher version. Right now we are going to download this, okay. So if you click on download, okay, a file will be downloaded. Or if you don't want to install this one, okay, it is exactly 896 megabyte. If you want a different version, or if you are looking for, if your operating system is not Windows, okay, if it is Linux or something else, Mac, okay, then you can go down there. Useful hints and tips are there as well. You will have Android Studio download links, okay. If you are using Windows 64-bit operating system, then you can use these recommended option, okay, exactly 896 megabyte. If you are using Mac, then you can use this one, DMG file, okay. If you are using Linux, then you can use tar file, okay. These are the options, okay. You can choose one of these options to install this one. In our case, we have, if you click on this one, okay, you have to accept their terms and conditions and download Android Studio for Windows, okay. You have to download. If you click on download link, it will be downloaded, okay. So we are pausing the video right now, and we will come back when the download is finished. So here is our download file, okay. So here is our download file. The name of this file is Android Studio IDE, Integrated Development Environment, okay, and this is the version, okay. So to install it, what you have to do, you have to right click and then you have to click on Run as Administrator. So I'm clicking on it right now, and you will have to user account control, you have to allow it, so I'm using yes. So it is saying welcome to Android Studio setup, and you have to click on next. And the important option is here, Android virtual device, okay. We are going to install this one. If it is not checked, so you have to remember to check it, okay. And this is what? A pre-configured and optimized Android virtual device for app testing on the emulator, and it is recommended, okay. And here this is the Android Studio default setup, and you can cancel it or you can uncheck it, okay. It will be installed by default, okay, but this one is optional, whether you are going to install Android virtual device or not, okay. In our case, okay, I'm not unchecking it, I'm checking it. So, and space required is exactly 2.7 gigabyte, okay. So going to click on next, and in our case we are not going to install in system drive, okay, and we are going to change it, and we are going to show the path. In our case, we are going to use our J drive, so I'm using J here and clicking on next. If you don't want to create a desktop shortcut, okay, you can check it option, but I don't want to, I'm not checking it, okay. I want to create the shortcut, and the name of, by default the name is Android Studio, okay, and I'm clicking on install. And now it is saying installation is complete. A setup was completed successfully, so it is saying completed, so you have to click on next. And do you want to start Android Studio? And we don't want to start Android Studio right now. I want to show how to start it, okay, manually. So click on finish, and right now I have to start. One important thing is, here is our program file, okay, Android Studio, okay, and the important thing is JRE folder, okay. Your JRE folder, you have to notice and remember that you have installed Android Studio in a J drive, and the JRE folder is located here, okay. Program files, then Android, you have to go to your drive and the location where you have installed, you have to go to that drive, and then you will have, if you didn't change the folder, okay, earlier, then it will show program files, then Android Studio, then here is the JRE folder. So you have to remember that your JRE folder is in this location. We are going to start search or type as Android, and within the search panel, if you type Android, then it will display Android Studio, okay. This is a quick tip how to start Android Studio. So you can use your search panel to start Android Studio, okay. If you don't want to look for the Android Studio in the program files, okay. So click on Android Studio, and here you will have an option, import Android Studio settings. We didn't have Android Studio in this operating system, so I'm using default one, do not import settings, okay. So clicking on OK, you have to give it a little time. Okay, data sharing option, you can send user statistics to Google. It is your option, it is your choice whether you are going to send user statistics to Google or not. In my case, I am using don't send. Alright, this will be the welcome, and our installation, our setup is not finished yet. We have one more step to go. Okay, welcome Android Studio. Here, welcome, this wizard will set up your development environment for Android Studio. Additionally, the wizard will help port existing Android apps into Android Studio, okay, to create a new Android application project. Alright, clicking on next. Here, choose the type of setup you want for Android Studio. You can use the standard one or you have a custom one, okay. Android Studio, if you choose the standard one, Android Studio will be installed with the most common settings and options recommended for most users. If you are an absolute beginner, then you can pick the standard option. In my case, okay, I'm using the custom option because I'm not going to install the files in the system drive, okay. I want to change the installation folder, okay. That's why I'm using the custom one. You can customize installation settings and components installed, okay. Yes, we want to customize installation settings. Going next, and here you can see by default it is picking the right one, because here see our JRE folder is there because we have installed Android, okay, in J drive. So this is the location JRE done, so you don't have to change it. By default it will pick automatically, so stick with it. Java Development Kit, JDK means Java Development Kit, okay, and JRE runtime environment, okay. Gradle might use this JRE, okay. So sticking with it, not changing this one. Going next, and here you can use the two options will be given to you. You see, we have a light one and we have a Dracula one. So I'm choosing the Dracula, or you can preview here light one and Dracula one. So I'm picking the Dracula one, okay. It is your choice. I'm clicking on next. We are going to, you can pick this option. So by default I want to install all of it, okay. The first one is Android Software Development Kit, and you can see here the collection of Android platform APIs, tools and utilities that enables you to debug, profile and compile your app. The setup wizard will update your current Android Software Development Kit installation if necessary, or install a new version, okay. Yes, I want to do that. And this one, Android platform libraries for targeting APIs 30, Android 11, and yes, the latest one I want it to be installed, okay. Then performance, and I want to check it, okay. Enables a hardware assisted virtualization engine, okay. Hypervisor, speed of Android app emulation on your development computer, okay. This is recommended, so I'm choosing this one. And Android virtual device, definitely you have to pick this one. Okay, so make sure that you are not going to uncheck it. It must be checked. Okay, this one is important. A pre-configured and optimized Android virtual device for app testing on the emulator, and it is also recommended. And here we have picked the customize option because we want to change this location, right? We don't want it to be in our system drive, we want to change it right now. Okay, so clicking on folder. Okay, before doing this one, you can create a folder. Creating a new folder, not within program files. Here we are creating a new folder named as Android, and then here creating a new folder as SDK. So within the same folder, we have created a folder named as Android, and then we have created a new folder, Software Development Kit SDK. We are going to pick this one for this installation. If you refresh it, you will see there is a folder named Android. Okay, and we want to go to that Android and to that folder SDK. Okay, and then clicking on OK. Check one more time that these all options are selected. Okay, now clicking on next, and now here is the option unused RAM. In this operating system we have unused RAM up to 13.7 GB. Okay, so it is your choice. You can increase this to improve performance. In my case, I'm sticking with the recommended option 2.0 GB. Okay, here it is saying that we have detected that your system can run the Android emulator in an accelerated performance mode. Okay. Set the minimum amount of RAM available for the Intel Hardware Acceleration Execution Manager. Okay, Hardware Acceleration Execution Manager to use for all 32-bit. 86 means 32-bit emulator. Okay, emulate instance. Okay, the Android emulator will be 32-bit. So we are sticking with the recommended option. Clicking on next. This is the verify settings option, so you can verify one more time whether it is okay or not, or if you want to change something, you can go to the previous. You can use the previous button to go back. Okay, we are not changing anything here. You don't. It will not be enabled because there is no next. Clicking on finish, and it will take some time to install this one because it is more than 1.5 GB. So we are going to pause this video here, and we will come back when the installation is done. So we can see that our installation is done, so we can click on finish. Here is the Android Studio. So in our next tutorial video, we will show how to create a new project using Android Studio version 4.1.1. If you like our channel videos, then please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. In our next tutorial video, we are going to create a new project using Android Studio. See you in the next tutorial video. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye.